Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if an error occurred while starting Roblox on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to actually just go ahead and simply restart your computer. And then hopefully that's resolved the problem. If you're having an issue with your connectivity even further, we can try to reset our network settings. So once we're done resetting our network settings, you will need to enter back in your Wi-Fi credentials to get back online. So they should be found on the back of your router. So make sure you have them nearby. And then once you have them, go ahead and open up the search menu. Type in troubleshoot. Best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select network and internet on the left side. And on the right side, scroll down underneath Advanced Network Settings and go ahead and left click on that. On the right side, underneath More Settings, select Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button and then select Yes. You're going to have to close out of here and then restart your device. And then hopefully your issue has been resolved. One further thing we can try as well, if you open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best result comes back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list, search for Roblox. Select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down. Where it says underneath Reset, if the app isn't working right, we can try and repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. And then you would restart your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. If not, you can attempt to reset the app. The app's data will be deleted. Please note that as long as you have your sign-in credentials, it should still be backed up. At least that's my understanding. And just as resetting the Windows application, it's not resetting your Roblox account, which you have to sign into anyway in order to actually access the application. So go ahead and select the reset button. This will permanently delete the apps data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. And then once that is done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.